guys, what's up? I am Maithili and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm here to talk about my monthly favorites part 2, which is about February. So February बहुत ही छोटा महीना था, of course, and I was very confused as to what are the products that I have absolutely enjoyed using. So let me quickly take you through all of them in this video. Okay, if you are looking at the new backdrop, that is because I am in my PG. So yeah, the backdrop is relatively new, and yeah, I'm sorry for being a little inactive. I am back now, and I'm gonna start with, of course, the fragrance of the month. The fragrance for the month of February was Twilight Mauve by Zara. Oh my god, this fragrance has my heart. It is very floral, a little sweet but not very sweet, and I absolutely love the fragrance. I picked this up from Delhi when I was there. You can see मैं आधी बॉटल ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ, and मैंने पूरे February रोज़ यही fragrance लगाया है. It is long lasting, it smells very nice, very fresh. I love the feeling and it's absolutely worth it. And Zara also has like an online collection, so in case you want to buy it, you can always visit their website as well. I'll pop the notes right here for you guys to see. Moving on to the next product that is most used throughout the month of February. मैं एक बॉटल ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ, but I am a coffee lover. आप सबको पता है मैं cold coffee से obsessed हूँ, and for the month of February I ended up trying a new coffee, which is the Tata Coffee Grand Classic. And I have to tell you guys, the aroma is so good. Every single morning when I wake up and I just make my coffee, it smells so delicious, it smells so good, it tastes also amazing. This has like granules, but it's similar to like Davidoff, which will easily melt into your coffee. So that is the best part about it. The aroma is good, the taste is good, a definite 10 on 10 from my side. मैंने एक बॉटल ख़त्म कर दी है, ये मेरी second bottle है that I'm using, but it's so damn yummy. Moving on to the lipstick that I'm wearing. Currently I'm wearing the Fay Beauty's Lip Whip. This is in the shade Ride. ठीक है, ये shade is something that I have been obsessed with, and I'm not kidding. Every single day, this is such a good shade. It really suits my skin tone, and जब भी ऑफिस जाना होता है तो of course I don't like wearing like very bright colors. So this is something that works out very good for me. If you're somewhere around my skin tone, you are going to love this skin shade. It's very lightweight. It has a very smooth finish, and it is so lightweight that you won't even feel like you've applied a matte lipstick on your lips, and it just goes well with all of your outfits. So absolutely love this. I did do an unboxing video. If you haven't checked it out, please go watch it. It's on my YouTube short. But I am a big fan, and I will give this product a definite 10 on 10. Coming on to the next product, I have a lot of like makeup products, but I also did not do a lot of makeup. My normal routine जब भी मैं ऑफिस जाती हूँ, it's very basic. It's more like moisturizer, sunscreen, kajal and lipstick. That's it. That's what I do on an everyday basis. So my favorite काजल, और इस काजल के लिए मुझे बहुत सारे compliments मिल चुके हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों ने कमेंट किया that I look very nice, wearing काजल, and I have been wearing काजल since a very young age. ठीक है, तो मैं 6th-7th grade से I used to apply काजल every single day जब भी मैं स्कूल जाती थी. एंड करंट फेवरेट काजल, आप इसकी हालत देख लो, सब प्रिंट विंट उड़ चुका है, बट दिस काजल इज फ्रॉम माई ग्लैम. This kajal has an amazing finish. It looks so good on your eyes. It's not smudge proof, in case you are looking for something that's smudge proof. ये smudge proof नहीं है, it will spread, but I am very comfortable using this. I feel like it's a great product to have in your vanity, and this will make your eyes look very pretty, right? And it's very inexpensive also. ये Amazon से मैंने खरीदा था around 130 rupees का, and it's a great product. Next thing is one of my favorite products, जो I think February में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, because I was on some medication, और उसके कारण जो one of the side effects of that medication was कि my lips were getting very very dry, like insanely dry. Today they are still looking better, but they became insanely dry, and my one and only savior throughout the month has been this, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Oh my god guys, मैं इसकी तारीफ नहीं कर सकती हूँ अपने मुंह से. इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस वन. यू माइट फील दैट इट इज़ अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव, बट इट्स वर्थ एवरी पेनी. you know, whenever I feel like मेरे lips dry हो रहे हैं, and right now it's not even winters, right? We've entered summers. तो रात को बस लगा के सो जाओ and सुबह you will feel that your lips are so hydrated, so moisturized, so soft. So my tub is almost like 3/4 over, but I love this lip balm. It's an absolute favorite. It's my ride or die when it comes to lip balms. I love this. Swear by this product. Will definitely recommend that you buy this. जो आखिरी product है that I want to talk about is again something that I purchased in January. February में I started using it. It is the Fay Beauty's blush. एक तो भाई मैंने जब अनबॉक्सिंग की थी तभी मैंने बोला था कि इसका पैकेजिंग इज सुपर क्यूट. इट इज़ समथिंग दैट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. आई लव द पैकेजिंग, आई लव द शेड. दिस इज इन द शेड वाइफी एंड ये इतना सुंदर शेड है गाइज. द ब्लश इज सुपर पिगमेंटेड इफ़ यू सी. ठीक है, बहुत आसानी से ब्लेंड हो जाता है आपकी स्किन में एंड इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट. तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा नहीं दैट इट्स समथिंग दैट यू अप्लाइड. सी दिस इज द शेड एंड आई फील लाइक इट विल जस्ट रियली कॉम्प्लीमेंट योर स्किन, right? And the pigmentation is great, the color payoff is great. If I'm applying this blush in the morning for my office when I leave, by the time I come back in the evening the blush is still there, it's intact, it does not move your foundation or your base, which is a great thing. And I really love the entire formulation as well as the packaging. These were the products that I wanted to talk about. मैंने बहुत ही short में review दिया है because I don't want the video to be super long. I will obviously put all the links in the description box below in case you guys want to buy anything from this. And yeah, coming on to my favorite part, which has become a ritual and you know I want to talk about it. What was my favorite series for the month? I ended up watching a lot of CID. I don't know आप लोगों ने देखा था या नहीं. मैं बचपन से बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ CID की, राइट? तो मैं अभी रिसेंटली आई सॉ दैट नेटफ्लिक्स पे उनके नए एपिसोड्स आए हैं CID के. सो इन केस यू आर अ फैन एंड यू डोंट नो दैट, नेटफ्लिक्स पे दे हैव released new episodes and they are doing it every Saturday Sunday. New episodes come out. तो मैंने पूरे फेब में CID देखा है and I have enjoyed every bit of it. Coming to my favorite song or like the song of the month for the month of February, the vibe was very different for February. तो my favorite song became Piya Tu Piya. It's sung by Arijit Singh and I completely became obsessed with the song. So throughout the month मैंने on repeat वही गाना सुना है. The last but not the least part of this video is of course you know my favorite moment of the month. So for February ऐसा कोई खास moment नहीं था. I had a very calm month. There was a lot of work that was involved. There was a lot of like back and forth trips from home to work, work to home. इन सब के बीच में माई फेवरेट मोमेंट वॉज महाशिवरात्रि. सो आई एम अ शिव भक्त थ्रू एंड थ्रू. ठीक है, तो महाशिवरात्रि के दिन मैं घर गई थी एंड आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. दैट वॉज लाइक my favorite moment from the month. Of course it was a fast, we did a lot of puja, we did the abhishek, and I think that is what the highlight of the month for February would be. Just because I was also at home, I was with my family, so it just added a lot more to the entire day. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I will be very consistent with my favorites, monthly favorites video, because I don't want it to become a random thing. I want it to be like consistent and I am trying out new products. Although हो सकता है कि वीडियो में थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो when it comes to like the posting schedule, but I'm trying to become more consistent. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of such content. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.